A watchmaker is someone who builds, repairs, and maintains watches and sometimes clocks. They work with tiny mechanical parts, using specialist tools to fix or assemble timepieces. Watchmakers need a high level of focus and patience, as the work is often detailed and delicate. Some may work for luxury watch brands or jewelers, while others run their own repair shops. The job involves understanding how different types of watches work, from traditional mechanical ones to modern quartz designs. A trainee or entry-level watchmaker usually earns between £16,000 and £20,000 a year. As they gain more experience and skills, their pay can rise to around £25,000 to £30,000. Highly skilled watchmakers, especially those working with luxury or rare timepieces, can earn over £40,000 a year. Self-employed watchmakers may earn more or less depending on the number of clients and the kind of work they take on. To become a watchmaker, most people start by taking a course in watchmaking or horology. These can be full-time college courses, such as a Level 3 diploma in watch and clock servicing, or specialist training at places like the British School of Watchmaking. Apprenticeships are also a popular way to learn while working. Watchmakers need good eyesight, steady hands, and a lot of patience. A strong interest in how things work and attention to detail are also important.